La calabaza is really hard to cut, like I said, and you have to get this green stuff off too in order to use it. You don't want any of that stuff on it. But you see how the skin is tough, so take your time, you know, lift it up like this. I could also tell you that you should do it like this, because I cut my veggies that my way, but the safest way for you to cut it would be something like that, okay? So you don't hurt yourself. It's safe and it's easy, okay, and it's nice. And then you cut into pieces in here, like that, okay? And again, you can cut it in smaller pieces. You don't want to hurt yourself. And cut the bottom part, see, like that. That way it's easy for you. Flip it over to this side and do the same.